Welcome back. Let's go. Oh Jesus. Okay. I was gonna say it's a nice calm walk to the new Titanic, but no, fine. You guys can ruin my day. Ruin my life. Try and kill Drake, but you're just gonna. You know when he was when they signed up for this job, they must have said that. Do you want to kill Drake? Do you want to kill Drake? I mean, do you want to try and kill Drake and just literally die? God, I wonder what all these guys are doing with their families. Their wives will be like, but it's Nathan Drake, you'll never ever kill him. They're like, I can try. I can try. Oh.
Who's there?
Hello. Oh, mate. Yeah, helmet came off. Oh, the glasses came off. I'm gonna pick that up. Let's go. Come on. Oh, it's raining. Ready? Oh, you bastard. Oh, God.
Now we're getting somewhere.
Stormy.
They're gonna make it to that boat.
Oh, no. It's rough. The seas are rough. No, I need that shotgun.
Dr. Orton.
Oh, it's all wet. I don't like it, it's all wet. Whoa! Oh shit. Hey, bye. Shit. Off seas. Rough water. Ugh. Quick. Oh shit, wrong one. Good job. Oh shit. No. No, where are you? Good. Let's go, 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 go.
Oh crap!
Oh shit. Okay, I'm back on, back on, back on. Okay, okay. Up here, I guess. No. How the hell do we get up there? Ah, okay, maybe not. Can I just swim there? Okay, come on. No, can't go that way. Yeah, but there is some treasure. That's good, because that would have sunk us. Surely you can go up there, look. I swear that's like that. It was like there for. No, okay. Oh shit, who's shooting me? What the hell is he doing? Oh, you bastard. Whoa. Oh, you bastard. Oh, no. Oh, no. So I'm guessing that's a thing saying that that's where we'll go.
Coming in. Let's move. We have to get out of here.
They're all leaving.
Okay, good. Oh, treasure. Lovely. This is the boat. Please tell me this is the boat. Then I'm already on. Where are you, bastard? There you are. Oh, someone there. Whoa. Whoa, mate.
Don't leave without me, boys.
Oh, shit. Oh, no. He's truly duped me. Whoa. Oh, look, God. Shut up, Doug. What? No, don't leave that me.
Can't let you boys leave me behind.
No, shit. Okay. Okay. Okay, life's good.
Perfect.
Life is good. Whoa.
They don't like stowaways.
Come on, mate. Let me in. Alright. Okay. Whoa. Come on, babes. Now you're dead. Just let me on. Down you go. Oh, shit. Down you go. Ow. Ow. Ow.
Not likely.
Whoa. Down. We ain't there yet. Oh shit. Whoa, down mate. Calm down. Calm yourself. Oh, beautiful. Hey guys. Oh shit. No. Off me. Oh, I destroyed them. And again, round two. Oh god. Ow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Shit. I'm gonna jump on you. I'm gonna jump on you. I'm gonna jump on you. Oh shit. Come on. Whoa. 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 Oh shit. Oh, not you again. Come on, mate. Behave yourself. There's some guy behind you with a gun, and I've got no armor on. You've got a lot of armor on, mate. How's he not shot me yet? Has he not shot me yet? I'm getting a bit lucky. Oh god, he flew. He's like, no, I'm gonna fly off now. Okay. That's good. Oh shit. Yeah, yourself, please. Whoa. Whoa. Oh no. Oh, for the love of God. Please no. Oh look, shit, please. Look, I'm nearly there now. Just let me on. Let me on, mate. Come on. Behave yourself. Oh, I can't go there. Oh, I can't go that way either. Oh, life's not good. Oh. Ooh.
Two can play at that game.
They can.
Do that again.
God, bitches. Oh, I missed. Got you. Oh, RPG, yes.
Here we go.
Hey. Boom. Oops. Drake, please. Oh, I'm near that. Go, go, go. Running.
One shot this.
Oh. Whew. Okay. We're up. Yeah, for the love of God. Big wave. Big wave. Okay. Come and subscribe. I'll see you next time.